Alright everyone, as part of the LockMania Christmas giveaway I got this fantastic Ifam. This absolutely gave me the most headache to pick. I don't really know how to describe the feel of it, but it feels like the tolerances are really tight. It feels that the lock very easily oversets. There's a heavy spring on it. And overall, yeah, you just have to pay attention. I'll use this wiper insert, and yeah, already the core, it feels like an area where it binds. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I'll use a southward standard hook. Let's see what we can feel inside. Like the whole pin, it feels like mush, kind of. Like everything binds at the same time and there's oil in it. Another click out of 2, 3. 4, it's moving. I'm not sure if I set it or anything else. 1, 2, small click out of 2. 3, feels binding. And movement there. I'm increasing the tension again. It feels like it's moving, something in the back here. 5. Yeah, binding. And, oh, that absolutely went much faster. We got this open. So, yeah, I'm quite surprised at how fast that went. The other times I spent at least 10 minutes just understanding the feedback of the lock. So I guess I was oversetting and doing other dumb things with it. So yeah, listen to your lock, it tells you what to do. LockMania, thank you so much for this wonderful Ifam. And all of you, thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.